In the past, lighting was designed as a series of static pictures, usually by the scene designer. State plots were used to record all dimmer levels for each cue, and having limited hands, dimmer operators would translate this state plot into a track plot. Track plots would identify the necessary changes needed for each cue to limit the number of adjustments to only when it was necessary. And this idea of an attribute that is stored and should remain the same until it is changed still exists today. Getting a solid understanding of what tracking does will really game change your programming efficiency. To access your very own track plot on the grandMA3, all we need is a sequence sheet. Everything can be tracked. Values, presets, timing, phases, you name it. But the concept is best demonstrated through just a couple of cues using only the dimmer. So I'm going to build myself a sequence, starting with fixture 3 at 50%, fixture 4 at full. Store this as Q1, clear the programmer, create a label, make sure it's the selected executor, and press go. Fixture 2 at 25%, store please. For Q3, fixture 4 can reduce to an intensity of 75 and fixture 2 at 25%. Again, then store please. In Q4, fixture 1 can come to full and fixture 2 through 4 can go to 0 and then store please. If you followed along, it should look something like this. The tracking sheet displays a series of colors to help quickly identify information at a glance. A value shown in cyan is a value that is increasing. A value shown in magenta is a value being tracked. A value shown in green is a value that's decreasing. Easiest way to remember this is cyan is up towards the sky and green toward the grass. There is a white value from when I restored fixture 2 at 25% again in Q3. A white value in the tracking sheet is called a blocked value, or a value where data has been stored where it had been previously tracked. So now that I've shown you what tracking looks like, the real question is, what can you do with that information? And the answer has a lot to do with copying cues.